this is Lisha Batta and welcome to my channel. तो आज मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ because I have a new beauty setup today. I spent like a couple of hours just redoing the layout of my studio. तो ये टेबल आगे होता था and आज ये finally पीछे है and I love these little props as well. काफ़ी वो OG ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर वाइब आ रही है मुझे विद दिस सेटअप. सो पहले तो ना कमेंट्स में बताओ ये अच्छा लग रहा है या दोस प्लेन कलर बैकग्राउंड्स दैट आई डू. I will let you guys decide. If you guys like this setup, then we'll continue with this. Otherwise, we'll switch right back to those colored backgrounds. Now, in today's video, I am going to recreate Kareena Kapoor's Instagram makeup. So, Kareena Kapoor is one of the only two Bollywood actresses I follow on my Instagram. I think she's one of those rare actresses जिनका feed इतना organic है, इतना unplanned है, and it feels so real. She actually shares tidbits from her real life. However, I'm also in love with Kareena Kapoor's makeup. It is so bang on and so flattering with the chiseled cheeks and the well-defined eyes with the nude lips. So Kareena Kapoor earlier, I would say about 6-7 years ago, was known for her smudged kohl eyes along with nude lips. But her makeup has definitely transitioned more into like a thick winged liner, really glossy skin and well highlighted flush cheeks with a neutral lip. And that's what I am going to recreate. So I've taken like a few pictures for my Instagram as reference. So I've also taken reference from Kareena Kapoor ex Puma wala makeup look. I loved her look in that collection. So she has like a thick wing liner along with bushy brows, and you will see this in most of her pictures. So this was one of her videos and she's recreated that same look. And even in this picture, you can see she has the bushy brows going on along with the winged liner and these beautifully highlighted cheeks. I don't have Kareena Kapoor ke cheekbones, but we are gonna let makeup do its magic. So I'm using all of her Instagram makeup looks as a reference today. So if you're new to my channel and you're watching me for the first time, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. If you press the bell icon, you will get notifications every time I post a new makeup tutorial. Now, without much ado, let's get started. So first I'm applying the Olens Russian Velvet Green lenses since Kareena Kapoor has green eyes and I obviously don't. Then I'm going to moisturize my face using the Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel. This is one of my favorite moisturizers to apply beneath foundation and I have almost emptied it up. It hydrates my skin without making it oily. Then I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I absolutely love the primers by Smashbox. This one blurs out my pores really well. I focus it majorly around my cheeks, my nose and forehead area. Then I just blend it out with my fingers. Next, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pinky Light. Kareena Kapoor's base makeup is all about that luminescent glow and hence I'm going in with this product. This is one of my favorite products for that dewy, healthy finish. I'm focusing it majorly on my cheeks and on areas where the light tends to hit. As you can see, it's already made such a huge difference. My face has a beautiful glow. Also applying this on my brow bone and forehead. Next, I'm taking the Nykaa Insta Blur Stick to color correct my dark circles. This is completely an optional step, but I tend to do it because I do have deep dark circles as you can see, and I'm also not getting adequate sleep these days. This is, however, an essential step if you do have any kind of pigmentation. Color correction helps gives you an even base and prevents your foundation from looking grey. Then I'm using the Benefit Hello Happy foundation. This has become a new favorite of mine. It gives a medium coverage with a satin finish. I'm dotting this on one part of my face and then blending it out with a damp sponge. And then I'm repeating the process on the rest of my face. This blends beautifully and gives such a nice finish. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm applying it underneath my eyes, right below my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose. The shade is slightly lighter for my face, hence I use it for highlighting as well. I don't use this very often as I find the texture a bit too thick and the finish a bit too matte for my liking. However, this gives full coverage which is perfect for events and parties. Just blending it out with my e.l.f. sponge. Setting my base with the MUD loose powder, I'm only applying it underneath my eyes to prevent the concealer from creasing. I'm not applying it on the rest of my face because I don't want to mattify the dewy finish. Then taking the Nykaa Contour and Conquer Duo, I'm using it right underneath my cheeks. I'm also placing the product a little further down as I basically have non-existent cheeks and Karina has such fuller cheeks. This will help me in creating an illusion of higher cheekbones, also placing it under my jawline and around my forehead as well. Then I'm using a smaller brush to contour my nose. Make sure you blend out your nose contour to prevent a harsh contour line. Then I'm going in with the loose powder and applying it right below my contour for a more well-defined look. This instantly uplifts your face. Now I'm using the Benefit Love Tint with the MAC Strobe Cream. Karina has these beautifully flushed cheeks in almost all her looks and a tint is the easiest way to get that. I'm mixing it with the strobe cream for that dewy effect and this also makes it look natural. I am blending it out with the damp sponge. Thoda sa heavy ho gaya but it settles down with time, but oh my gosh, look at those cheeks. Doesn't this look so beautiful and flattering? And of course, repeating the same process on my other cheek. Love it! Now let's move on to the eyes. For the brows, I'm using the Lakme Brow Perfector. I'm not even going to try mimicking Karina's brows. She has these beautiful thick brows and well, I just don't. So I'm just filling in my brows and making them as thick as naturally possible. But look at the color of this brow pencil. It's perfect for us Desis. I do wish it was a little less warm though. Now onto the eye makeup, I will be using the Swiss Beauty palette which I have been currently loving so much. Karina keeps her eye makeup subtle and natural, so I'm taking this peachy shade and applying it right on my crease as you can see. Then I'm blending it out with a nice fluffy brush using Wind Viper motions. Next I'm applying this neutral shade all over my eyelid. I'm also going to use this beige shimmery eyeshadow on top of it. You can even use a MAC Paint Pot or any cream eyeshadow and it will look equally stunning. Then I'm going in with that deeper orange shade and adding more definition to the crease. Now I'm using this deep brown eyeshadow very lightly on my lower lash line. This is one of my favorite tricks that Karina's makeup artist does as it does not look stark but also makes her eyes look bigger and more defined. For the liner, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is my holy grail product and I find it very easy to use. Karina has this signature thick wing liner, however she keeps her wing very subtle and she does not elongate it too much. I took my wing a bit too out, so now I'm removing it and redoing this process all over again. I've been doing makeup since years and I still mess it up, so don't feel too bad if it takes you time as well to get the hang of it. Eyeliner is always a tricky process. Next, I'm applying this very natural pair of eyelashes by Europaris. I think Karina is wearing an individual set of lashes, but that is just too time consuming, so I'm going in with this pair instead. Got my lashes on and now I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This will add the volume that I need and bring the entire look together. Also applying a good amount on my lower lashes. For lips, I'm using the MAC Spice Lip Liner. Karina mostly opts for a nude glossy lip for Instagram makeup. I love this shade as you can tell by the amount I have used up. I'm topping it up with the MAC Velvet Teddy. I also featured this in the best MAC lipstick video which you can check out in the ticker above. And lastly, I'm applying the MAC Lip Gloss. That just feels so odd to say. Why couldn't they just name it lip gloss? You can also use any other clear gloss for this step. And voila! This is the final look. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it because मैं उदास हो गई ये लुक करते करते. सो बेसिकली ये जो पीछे आप टेबल देख रहे हो ये यूजली मेरे आगे होता है ऑन द फ्रंट साइड एंड हेंस थोड़ा मेकअप करने में ना ईज हो जाता है बिकॉज मिरर इज ऑल्सो ऑन द आई लेवल. आई कैन रेस्ट माई आर्म्स, आई कैन कीप माई प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन द टेबल एंड देन डू द लुक मोर ईजिली. बट सिंस आज ये नए सेटअप के लिए मैंने पीछे रख दिया, आगे के लिए मेरे पास कोई टेबल नहीं है इतना लाइक ऊंचा, तो मेरा मिरर नीचे पड़ा था एंड टेबल भी छोटा था एंड लुक करते करते वो गिर गया एंड टूट गया. एंड ऑल्सो टुडे आई रियली स्ट्रगल्ड व्हाइल डूइंग दिस मेकअप लुक बिकॉज मिरर के बिना करना इट इज सो ट्रिकी. एंड आधे मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पड़े, आधे नीचे पड़े, यहाँ पे स्क्रीन है देखने के लिए कि मैं फोकस में भी हूँ कि नहीं. आई रियली स्ट्रगल्ड एंड हेंस आई होप जितना आज मैंने एफर्ट डाला है ये लुक के लिए, इट वॉज वर्थ इट. अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा ना तो इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली वर्थ इट ऑफ कोर्स. सो इफ यू डिड लाइक दिस लुक प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन एंड कमेंट डाउन बिलो एज वेल. एंड मुझे नीचे कमेंट्स में भी बताओ ये सेटअप आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है कंपेयर टू दोज प्लेन कलर्ड बैकग्राउंड्स, और यू प्रेफर दैट. बिकॉज अगर ये पसंद है तो फिर मैं एक और टेबल ना खरीद लूंगी आगे के लिए, बिकॉज ऐसे तो लुक्स नहीं होने वाले. Also in today's look, I know I ended up using more high-end products like MAC, Benefit, even Tarte ka concealer. But if you don't have the budget to buy very expensive makeup products, I have a lot more tutorials where I've used budget-friendly, very affordable products. I've even done a video with products under 500 rupees, so you can check that out. Basically, the point is the technique. आप और affordable products भी use कर सकते हो as long as they're like similar shades, similar finish. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and I will catch you guys the next time. Bye!